Compact, convenient and modular, RIDA CYCLER is a real-time PCR thermocycler, combining state-of-the-art technology and simplicity. The thermocycler takes up less space on the bench than your lab book. Multiple instruments can be operated from one workstation, making the RIDA CYCLER easily adaptable to your sample throughput. A patented magnetic induction technology is used to heat your samples. A robust optical system captures all channels simultaneously, and each channel is equipped with an independent high-intensity LED, photodetector and filter set. With a fixed optical path and no moving parts, there is never any optical alignment or calibration needed. The RIDA CYCLER tube format comes with 0.1 ml strips of 4 tubes and matching caps. The installation of the instrument and the software is as easy and simple as plug and play. Our BioFarm provides templates and assays for the complete SureFood and SureFast product range, reducing handling errors and increasing ease of use. Start your run in only 4 steps. Choose the template, assign one or several assays, enter the samples' names, start the analysis. Run several assays in parallel in order to achieve optimal time saving. Technical validation of SureFood and SureFast kits has been performed to provide scientific accuracy. Create and export clearly arranged result reports. The RIDA CYCLER is ideal for routine lab work.